Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Spaziale dream. I came into the shop because whenever the steam boiler would heat up, it would short the GFC, or it would cause a short, causing the GFC at a trip. That had to do ultimately with this right here, which is the remainder of the vacuum relief valve. Usually, there's a shaft up here, and with a surface that is sealing against this surface right here, and it is retained by a E-clip right here. Now, what ended up happening was that clip broke somehow. It broke in half, causing the shaft to fall in, and basically turning this vacuum relief valve into just an open hole. So when the water in the steam boiler would heat up, it would just boil over the top of the boiler, causing a short. So because of that happening, there was a bunch of scale buildup all over, and like mineral deposits all over the top of the boiler that needed to be cleaned out. So I cleaned the top of the boiler. I replaced the vacuum relief valve. I also replaced this old wire up here, and now we have a machine. As you can see here on the manometer on the right, that it's standing at about one bar. Got steam here. You can see it goes back up to 1. And we have water. And just to show that all the functions in this machine work, I'm going to do a test of coffee, of espresso. You don't have this machine dialed up. I dialed in to any of our grinders, so it's just a test shot. Just to show the machine. Have it. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking or subscribing. Thank you for watching.